Okay guys, so this is one of my clients' wigs that I'm creating. She wanted horns. Well, actually, she just wanted a wig, but I was like, shucks, you want some horns? And she was like, you can do that? I'm like, shucks, I sure can. I didn't know if I could or not, but I tried. I think I did pretty darn well. So that's what they look like. And this is a crown. And guys, by the way, we're doing a cosplay character named Bowsette. And I got to finish this crown. Add some little dots. But yeah, I think it's turned out pretty good. This is my mannequin, Shaquita. Say hello. Hello. Okay, anyway. This is what it looks like. And it does have a ponytail. I'm about to finish it and curl it. And yeah, I'm going to have me some fun. So yeah, guys, this is what I've been working on. Also, guys, I made a wig stand. Woo! I'm holding my mannequin up with a jump rope. I know, ratchet as heck. And I'm using a tripod. Okay? Alrighty, guys. Please subscribe for subscribe back. And just subscribe because you love me. Kidding. Well, I love you guys. No, I'm not kidding. Y'all are freaking awesome. Especially all those that are subscribed to me. I love you guys. Y'all are the real MVPs. And if y'all don't know, now you know. I'm a Pisces. So we kind of out there, you know, we lit in the water and stuff, swimming around like a bunch of mermaids, killer mermaids. So don't test us. Alrighty. Alright. Yeah. Say bye, Shaquita. Bye, girl. Alright, guys. I finished up.
Find the dryer.
Shh. Hey guys, so I'm very proud of myself. This is the Bowsette wig I created for one of my clients. And guys, this is crocheted in. And also I'm curling the hair really well. Because I wanted like a curled ponytail. And I might curl this under. But yeah, this is the details right here. See? I painted the horns myself. And I created the horns myself. And the crown too. Yeah. And this is, what's her name? What is your name? I forgot. Esperanza. This is my new mannequin head, guys. Isn't she purty? And she's purty until nighttime. Then I get a little scared because she be staring at me in my sleep. But yeah. That's what the ponytail look like. And guys, these are just to hold it onto the wig. But yeah. I think this is pretty cool for a crochet wig. And it's a cosplay wig. So yeah. I took my time. This is taking me about 3 to 4 weeks to finally complete. And yeah, I got the box ready for my client. Their favorite color is purple, so I'm going with that. It's a purple paper. And yeah, I got some purple paper to put inside the wig so it doesn't lose its form. Yeah. I am very happy. And guys, my wigs go for almost $100 for my wigs. Depending on how much work I have to put in. I'm fairly reasonable, but I also take my time and customize my wigs. So yeah. I can't really give an estimate of how much certain wigs will cost, but I do have wigs that I'm going to have pre-made. And I'm also going to have a business. My business also going to consist of me not just making wigs to sell, but also getting custom orders. And this was a custom order. So, yeah. And guys, I do cosplay, and I will be shipping online. I do get paid with cash, PayPal, and that's about it. So yeah. Alright guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Okay guys, so this is the box that I put the wig in. I decorated it myself. Excuse the table. Yeah. It's decorated all over. Got a purple bow because they like purple. My client. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, rate, comment, give me a thumbs up. Hit that thumbs button. Yeah, hit that thumbs button. And comment. Tell me what you think, guys. I love you all. Well.